Blue textured 80 cake. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm your host, Yvette Faruja. It's great to have you here, whether this is your first time joining us or if you've been following along from the start. You're in the right place for all things cake business related, from decorating techniques to business advice and mindset tips. We will discuss it all. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode. In today's tutorial, we're going to showcase our blue buttercream textured cake. We start by leveling off our cakes with our Agbe leveler to 3 inches high for each cake. Now, we love to use our Agbe. It is so precise every time, and believe me, it gets used on every single cake. Now, I know that they are an investment, and if you're looking for a sneaky discount, they are available online at Cakers Warehouse, and when you use our discount code Enchanted10, you'll save 10%. We always layer our cakes with our signature ganache, so they are structurally nice and sturdy. The internal support system inside this cake is from Loyal Bakeware. The great thing about this system is that you no longer need to drill through your board for the center dowel, so it's much quicker and mess-free. Once we have stacked our cakes, we then cover them in our signature buttercream and add the blue buttercream palette knife detail. We've used a combination of sapphire blue and navy blue colours from Pro Gel, and we have used our palette knives from Moorish Cakes to apply the buttercream texture. For the floral decoration on top of our cake, we are placing a dowel underneath its board that it sits on to support the weight of it. Next to this, we place our 80 topper into the cake, of which we have trimmed the stick lengths. For the final details that we add, it's the silver leaf. We are using the loose silver leaf from over the top, applied with our tweezers from Sprinks and our trusty paintbrush. And now our cake is complete. All of the products we have used in this video, as well as the Agbe, are readily available at Cakers Warehouse. So don't forget to use the code Enchanted10 on checkout. And by the way, we have both our ganache and buttercream tutorials available for purchase, which will make your caking life so much easier. These are the exact recipes we use in our business every week. Just go to our Instagram page at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the word buttercream or ganache on any of our posts, and we will DM you the direct link. It's that easy. So, thank you for joining us today, and we hope you've enjoyed this episode. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our free content. See you next time, and happy caking.